Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are here at a shoot with our favorite nail artist, Armani Jatan. And how do we follow you?
On shortcakenails.aj on Instagram.
Perfect. So we just love and adore her. We met her at Artist Session, and she's come here today to do special nails for our photo shoot. But we were watching her, and she has all these special little things that she's been doing. And you told me you've learned, since you took Artist Session, you've learned all these little tips and tricks, including using like a magnetic chessboard. She's been doing this stuff now at Fashion Week and other photo shoots. So fill us in. Like, what is this all about?
So when I was in Las Vegas the last time, I stumbled upon this little contraption, and basically you're able to polish all the nails that you need to on one tray, and you're able to store everything that you need to inside the compartment. Makes it a little bit easier too when you want to show off a couple little things. You can.
What is that?
Oh yes, it's a magnetized little diamond doohickey thing, but it's easier so when you're trying to advertise certain colors or so, or if you're trying to work on something by yourself, you're able to just focus on just this, or you can get a bigger slate and really work on everything at one time.
So these are little magnetic. Is it tic-tac-toe or chess piece? Well, it doesn't matter. Yeah, something. And then what's really cool is what you've learned is rather than doing everyone's nails, you go measure the nails. Then you come back to, you always have these with you. You always have your special tips.
Yes. I was here back in June and I learned a little trick. I went on Amazon and I bought sticky taps. They come really in handy when you're using the Gel X system. You just pop these on the back of them.
Pop them on the back of what? Like, show us what you're, like, open it up and actually, if you don't mind. Yeah. Oh, perfect.
Yeah. So imagine if I wanted to use a short stiletto nail. I just take it, put it on the back, grab one of these.
And what are those?
They're sticky taps that you can get on Amazon. They help adhere to models' nails without damaging their nails. And for their next photo shoots, they're easy to pop off. No acetone required, no filing. Like so.
Wow. And then you do that nail.
Yes.
You either, whatever is the selected shade, yes. Then you put it on these little magnetic pieces, and now show her what you do.
So imagine if I just took this tip, adhered it already. I would take one of these.
Slow it down.
And then just simply.
Do that again and do it very slowly. Very step by step.
Sure thing. Real quick. So previously when I took the sticky tap, I adhered it to the back. It's able to be reused too. So you just make sure it's nice and stuck on. You take one of the chess pieces and gently stick it on the back right in there. It doesn't come off at all. It would take a lot to get it off. So it's very sturdy. And then after that, you go up to the model, depending on which one fits her nails, and you simply just stick it right on.
So you would then paint this. You put them all here, and now this is what I was going to say. Watch what she does when she needs to cure them.
Once you polish it, or get how many coats you need on, you just go over to the light, pop it in, cure it, about a good 30 seconds. Everything gets cured all in one sitting too. You don't have to worry about, uneven curing times. And then once you're all done with that, the model's already prepped and you just stick it right on.
So is there anything unusual in the actual measuring? I noticed that you spend a lot of time measuring the models. How do you do that?
Sometimes models might have crooked nails, or maybe their nails are just not as suitable for the Gel X system. So I like to just use my file, just go around the, for example, let me show you. So imagine if I wanted to shape this more sharper on the model. I would just take my file and just lightly go around each side till I get the desired shape. So some models with club nails or spoon-shaped nails, we're still able to work with them, and all the tips can be modified.
This is so great. So you're dangerous when you go into even a toy store. You're finding things that you can use for nails.
Unfortunately, you can throw me in Michael's or Toys R Us. It's happening.
Okay, so get a magnetic little chess set or checker set. And what is this little device?
It's my little device that I like to use when I'm polishing. So,
where'd you get that? What is that called?
This part, it just came part of it.
Oh, it's part of the
Yes.
Okay.
So imagine just getting ready to polish. It's very convenient too, so you don't interfere with the other stylist preparing the models, whether it's makeup or hair. I get my own little section. And even this can go in the light simple like that.
That's so cool. And then these little sticky taps, they are designed for nails.
They are definitely designed for nails. You can buy these separately and even reuse them too. So imagine if a model wanted to take home the nails. She's more than welcome to take them home. I'll leave her with some of these too, and she can reuse them as many times as she wants.
And they're called, if somebody's looking up for them, they're called
Sticky tabs on Amazon. They have different brands, but this one was $8. And they're clear.
Well, you are just so much fun. We love having you here. And Armani is just so creative and clever and does, I hate this expression, out of the box, but you do think out of the box and just comes up with extraordinary nails. It must be hard for you when you go to Fashion Week and they say just do a nude oval, right?
I'm just like, why did you tell me to do something so boring?
Well, again, thank you so much. It's Armani Jaton, and it's at
Shortcakenails.aj on Instagram.
Perfect. Thanks so much. Thank you.
you.
Bye.